We found something finally for our old Ranchero. 1974 Ford Ranchero Squire. Came with a 351 Cleveland. It was an H code, so it's 2-barrel, 2-bolt main. Pretty basic setup. The engine has been out of that car since 2000, 2001 maybe. Transmission's long gone too, so it's been a shell for over 20 years. Before that, it hadn't run for 10 years. So we were able to actually hunt something down that should just bolt right in there. So I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Check it out. Wow, there it is. Believe it or not, I was able to hunt down an actual 351 Cleveland H code, 2-barrel, 2-bolt main with a C4 automatic transmission, which is exactly what my 74 Ranchero came with from the factory. And it's complete. Not only is it complete, it is in much, much better shape than what I thought. I slightly power washed it on the way home, but I mean, this thing is a hell of a lot cleaner than I expected. Major oil leaks and stuff are not there. The transmission fluid in it looked brand new. I mean, it was really good looking. Of course, the guy I got it from, he pulled it out quick, so he just cut all the lines. I'll have to redo that. But the antifreeze was still in the block, and it came out looking brand new as well. I mean, it was green, like someone had just poured it in the day before. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna clean this thing up, and that's about it. We're just gonna clean it up and put it in the car and start getting all the bells and whistles hooked back up to it. Motor mounts, everything with it. I mean, it literally just came right out of the car the day before. And it came out of a 72 Ranchero. So this is actually a 72 setup, 72 H code setup, and mine is a 74. So I think these were still 9 to 5 to 1 compression. I mean, nothing crazy, just a regular old early 70s V8. Cleaning up on this thing a little bit. And then when that's done, we gotta get that bad boy pulled in here, start getting all the front end ready and get underneath the hood ready to drop an engine in. So what I've done is got a battery, got the old starter positive, the ground, an old solenoid I had laying around. It'll turn over, redneck style. Stand back. And it spins over. Hook me up a hot wire here with a toggle switch, straight to the positive of the coil. Maybe that'll work. A little bit of diesel fuelage and some gasoline, just to get that extra oil in, since I don't have any two-stroke or seafoam or anything like that. Pour a little bit of that down in the body. And let's see if it wants to fire. Fire in the hole. Show you what I've got so far. See if I can get that where you can read it. Yeah, you can kind of read that. We've got our coil hot wired from the toggle switch I showed you earlier. So we're just going to check voltage. We've got the switch on right now. This is to the positive side of the coil. 12.2, that's really good. Now I want to check the negative side of the coil. I can get in there. There we go, 12.23. It's good. Now I want to check the wire on the distributor. 12.2. So we've got power all the way to the distributor now. It's hot. Let's see if I can lean you guys in there. Roll this thing over. Let's see if I can get you guys in here. Look and see if these points are sparking. Fire in the hole. I saw some sparkage. How about you? Yeah? All right, good. All right, so diesel and gasoline mix, because I wanted a little bit of oil in the cylinders, because it hadn't been started in I don't know how long. Solenoid straight to the battery, got hot wire to the coil. I know I got power, so I'm gonna add a little bit of gas. You ready? You ready?
Yep.
Fire in the hole. Stand by. One thing I forgot. Turn the power on. All right, ready? Fire in the hole. Get it hot. Look at that. Up to the end of that wire. Go.
Oh.
Keeping no gas in it. Ain't got no gas in it. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Alright, the key is I gotta get this gas up there so it'll run a minute. Here we go. Fire in the hole. Damn it. Last try because I don't have a fluid cooler hooked up to that transmission and I want to burn it up. Do this one last time. Ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
How about that, huh? Hasn't ran in 30 years. Engine was pulled 20 years ago, never put back. Transmission knob is not in. It's sitting there and I need the new, anyway.
Hey guys, I got this brush and this spray, and I'm going to be working on these. I'm just going to be cleaning it with the brush and this.
We'll be able to put them on the steering cover of the Ranchero here. We're using everything we got. That's what we do here. Huh? You getting it done?
Yeah.
We got to fix the brakes. We got to fix the wiring. All that goes on right underneath there where you are. Good night to the Chariot.